What's up, YouTube? Anyway, we are here at the Denton train station. We're going to take the A train trail down to Hebron train station, 19 miles one way, and head back. Anyway, come ride with me. We are at Denton train station. We're taking the A train trail to Hebron train station. So we'll see how this is. I've never done this. When I first started getting into biking, I saw this was a different trail, so we'll try it. See how good it is. 19 miles one way, 19 miles back, 38 miles, hopefully. If I get tired, I can always throw my bike on the train and come back here. So it's a good day today, folks. I'm gonna try riding without music. That way I can record all of my talking. So since I'm not playing music today, I guess you get to hear me talk more. Part of the problem with playing music as I go is that I don't have copyright for all that music, and it gets recorded on the video, so I can't play it. So I have to use the whole soundtrack and then add music back to it. So I'll try to be reserved here. I love riding the music, but we'll see how this goes for 19 miles, and then I'll put the music back heading back. But I'm only gonna film one way. Well, I got a wind in my face, so coming back that'll be better. It'll be to my back. Oh well, we're on an adventure. So, if you don't know me now, I'm with Will the Thrill Adventures on YouTube, and making bicycling videos and drone videos, and every now and then some inspirational small videos. So right now it's not too bad, but I think there might be a lot of street crossings just like that little one. Probably a few majors. If the trail stays like this with concrete, I think it is supposed to be mostly concrete stuff. If it stays like this is a good thing. I'm not into mountain biking. Being 60-some years old, I'm not a glutton to get hurt. More chances of getting hurt down that mountain bike. Going down the Colorado Hill with single track. You gotta have pretty much a mountain bike to do that. Anyway, we're gonna follow this railroad track, I think, the whole way mostly, so I don't know how scenic it will be, but it'll be an adventure. So, what we're gonna talk about today, well, anybody that knows me knows I'm not shy about talking. No. Some people like me talking to shut up, but hey, that's life, man. God made me this way. But anyway, I thought wisdom of the day, word of the day, faith, you know. I think I've talked about faith and bringing my little testimony of how I got back to God. He's changed my life around. Yeah, it's been powerful. Had some events in life that more or less made me change, and had to do a bunch of lifestyle changes, and got me to where I'm at today. I'm feeling healthier than I felt in my 40s and 50s, you know, and you know, taking control of my health and life. And since I brought God back into my life, man, I tell you, I've never been more at peace internally with myself than years. So, all right, sorry about that. I had to focus on the road. But tell you what, man, looking back, I only kick myself for allowing what's happened to me in my life. You know, I used to have better faith, stronger faith, and through life's journey, I allowed a liberal education system to sidetrack the faith. Don't have anyone to blame but myself. You know, I've always been a scientific kind of guy, and you know, kind of had a problem with blind faith, but not anymore. You know, I always like to see the let's stop here. Thank you. It's a nice person. So, getting back on the subject, you know, I always think that science will find a solution to everything, and that isn't the case. We got more unknowns, right? Even in the universe, you know. Don't know what 95% of the universe is made up of. Only speculations. But, so anyway, yeah. You know, when I was in the Marine Corps for 4 years after college, I was probably in the best shape of my life. You know, I ran track, cross country, and wrestled in high school, and always was in good shape. But, you know, through the years, you know, not working out, allowing alcohol to control my life more than it should have, and just the rat race of work and raising a family and spending too much time on a bar stool. That's right, that was a mistake. Nothing to show, but you know, had health issues and failed marriages, and you know, you name it, man. But you know, when I was younger, I always asked God to give me a sign to know that He was for real. And you know, just having that concrete evidence, you know. But found in life that some things that just has to remain mysterious, and God will reveal it in time when He wants to. So Anyway, over the years, God finally did reveal something to me. You know, he gave me a wake-up call in 2020. Oh man, tell you what, didn't realize my camera was off, so I don't know how much video I missed on the way out. Now I may have to film it on the way back so that I get the whole trail. Oh well. I'm not sure if I got my testimony all in that. I hope I did. Anyway. We are at 9.6 miles into the trail. It's supposed to be 19 one way. So that just really bugs me, man. Here to maneuver. I do not know if I'm supposed to be up here. I may have to backtrack, we'll see. That's the problem with not knowing where you're going. lake this is. Possibly 10.3, I can't read it. So we got about another 9 miles to the turnaround. Got a headwind and going uphill. Be easier going back, huh? Adventure, making quality content. Shout out to old Bane. Adventure time with Bane. That's another bicycler. YouTuber. Maybe one day I'll be able to hook up and do a ride with him. I haven't started touring yet. I've just been sticking in my area, different places. But once I retire, then I'll be able to not have to be forced to be in an area. I don't know, man. There's a trail over there. But I don't think that is the trail I'm supposed to be on. That's an A-train trail. I think I'm following the railroad track. That looks like a nice trail over there. And that trail doesn't cross the water like this one does, so yeah. I'll have to get back with you on that one and see if I took the right path or not. Riding without music. This way you get to hear my mouth. I just really hope you got to hear my testimony. Or maybe the camera was off. I don't know. We'll have to see. That is. Okay. Highland Village. This is the Highland Village train station depot. One is Hebron, so that is where we're headed. Another 8 miles, I think, and then we'll be there and turn around. Path over here on the right. Feeling pretty good still. 12 miles in. A little less than 7 miles to go to the turnaround. Face kind of died down a little. Still like a very slight gradual uphill. It'll be a good on the way back. Slight downhill. So this was our first time on this A-train trail. Not bad, it's nice and wide. And doesn't look like it's like falling to pieces. So they may have just refurbished it not too long ago, so that's why you got a nice trail. So the trail's been awesome. You know, the scenery, maybe not so. Being along the freeway and the railroad track. That's the easiest place to put bike trails, is along railroad tracks, though. Praise God, baby. There's a good American flag flying. God, country, and core. Whole family in there at the end. Yeah, stopped in that Meridian. It wasn't big enough. Or median. Meridian, I don't know why I said that. Nice to see the cars knew I messed up, so they let me go. It's just like downhill now. Over 13 miles. Oh, we got a little golf course here. That's nice. No one joining you, huh? That's it. Just after Farm City. I'm not ashamed. Oh, yeah. I gotta make sure your name's on that roll. So when the roll's called up yonder, will you be there? This is nice right here. Nice little golf course on the left. Gotta be careful. You might take a golf ball. Stray golf ball. There's no big walls, just a small little fence. Anyway, I don't know. Is it worth doing it again? Probably. Alright, now this is... Okay. One thing I gotta realize, Will, just follow the railroad track. Can't get lost. Yeah. All these other smart bikers just bypassing me. 3, 5.5. I'm off the track. When he gets this narrow, I'm probably on the wrong track. Let's see. This is a part of the adventure, getting lost. I'm not at 19 miles, so I'm not at the... Oh well. Surely this can't be it. Junkier trail because they're getting in the city. Yeah, this is very good. Yeah, we might have to do a turnaround at about 15 or something if it stays like this. This isn't Probably shouldn't do this. That's how you get lost. Parkway. Trying to see Brett going back on the railroad track. Yeah, there's got to be railroad tracks over there, so let me see if this is... I might be able to get back on the trail. get lost. Look at a map. We're at about 15.2. Head back, we'll have 30 in. Get to the southern portion of the trail to Hebron, it's just not easily marked, so maybe I got off track.